In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site settings on Google Sites quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and simplify this process, ensuring your site looks exactly the way you want it to. First off, head over to your browser and search for Google Sites. Once you land on the Google Sites homepage, click to open it. From here, you'll see a list of sites you've created or have access to. Select the site you want to work on by clicking on it. This action brings you into the editing interface of your chosen site. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that setting icon. This is where you'll access all the settings you need to adjust how your site functions and appears to visitors. Now that we're in the Settings panel, let's go through some key areas you might want to tweak. First, click on Navigation. This is where you can choose how your site menu is displayed. You have two options: Top Navigation, which displays your menu at the top of the page, or Side Navigation, where the menu will be on the side. Think about how you want your viewers to access pages and choose the option that offers the best experience. Next, we have Brand Images. Click on this section to make your site truly your own. You can upload a custom logo and favicon, both essential for branding. The logo appears at the top of your site, and the favicon is the small image appearing next to your site title in a browser tab. This is a small detail, but it can make a significant impact on how your site is perceived. Moving on, let's check out the Viewer Tools option. Click on it to manage features like anchor links, page info, and subpage navigation. Decide which features to enable or disable based on how interactive you want your site to be. Now, to connect your site to a unique web address, click on Custom Domains. Here you can link your Google site to a custom domain, making it easier for visitors to find you online. This is an essential step if branding and professionalism are important to you. Let's not forget about analytics. By clicking here, you can add Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. Inputting your measurement ID allows you to track site traffic and understand your audience better, which is invaluable for growing your site's reach. Lastly, we have the Announcement banner. You can create a banner that sits at the top of your site to communicate crucial information or updates to your visitors. This feature is great for drawing attention to new content or announcements. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, remember to click Done to save everything. This ensures that all your adjustments are applied and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it. Adjusting your Google site settings doesn't have to be complex. With a few simple clicks, you can tailor your site just the way you like it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site editing.